Colaz team is back, and I can tell you that the team is back and is in full swing, giving us that authentic look, that authentic scenery of the real Jamaican culture and just the manner in which they prepare their wonderful meals for us to see. We're gonna check this out and talk about this when we return on the program. Welcome again and thanks for joining us for the program once more, where we're gonna review Colaz's recent video that he did on his channel. And this is one of those authentic, real Jamaican traditional videos where this man brings you back to the roots of our culture. He takes you back to the roots of just how everything is done from scratch, from making the fire to looking the wood to just preparing whatever is about to go with that meal. And this is what he is doing in order to captivate you, the viewers out there, and create this authentic scenery that touch screens right across the globe that people want to watch and keep coming back for more. But despite that, the good news is that the team is back together. Asa, yes man, the team is actually back together, and I can tell you that it's a great feeling to see Kanta back in the team, the whole entire team back together, everybody playing their part, taking on that role that they know that they are responsible for, and just producing another wonderful clip. So we know the history about what has been going on within the team itself. Don't want to really go back on that, because as you see, the team has moved forward and they're just pressing on and just doing their thing. So in this video, they went back to the roots, the basic of how they started their actual channel, and that is what I like about this channel. The videos are just so authentic, and just how they prepare the whole entire thing just captivates your whole entire being from the start of the video. If it is even over an hour, the video is still interesting right throughout, and these are the videos that I really love to watch. So Colaz team is back together. So they have started back the cooking in the river, doing how they normally do their thing, making the fire in the river, which I know that must be gravitating and captivating for many of the viewers, especially those who are watching from overseas and just wondering how they're gonna put this whole entire scenic video together. But it's just a good look. I'm very proud of the team and their accomplishments so far, and despite what is going on, it's just so great to see them coming back together, and just despite everything, they're still pressing forward with the real goal and looking at the light at the end of the tunnel. Because when you're doing things at times, you know, they're not every time everything's gonna go the way you want it to. But guess what? The real thing is life is when you bounce back from your adversities and you just press on to get what you want. And this is what this team has been doing for the past few weeks. They have moved on from the difficult times, and I see a bright future ahead of this team. Once they continue on this positive path, I know that great things are to come, especially as it relates to these authentic cooking videos, because videos like these just bring you back to the roots of the culture of Jamaica and how people normally do things way back in time, and just give you that authentic feel that so many people right across the world wish that they could just experience even for 5 minutes of their life. And this is what Colaz TV is bringing to you. So hats off again to Colaz for always putting out this effort and just everything that he puts together in order to produce these wonderful videos. I can't say thank you enough, because I enjoy watching these videos, and I'm going to continue review these videos forever once you keep on doing them. Because trust me brother, you're doing such a great thing. It might seem simple to you, but trust me, you are touching so many lives right across the world in different ways and in different aspects of their development, brother. I can tell you that you're doing so great at this, and you might not see it and you might not be rewarded as much as you should. However, just know that you have a whole lot of fans out there who are looking up to you, and not only you alone, but the whole entire team itself coming together. One team, one dream, make it real. And that's what people want to see. I don't think people like to see when the team is segregated, because then people are going to start to assume things, and some of the time they might be assuming things that are not even right. And then this is where you have the whole lot of speculation going on, and news start to bring from here to there, and it just brings a whole lot of chaos to the whole entire thing. But we know who you are, Colaz, and I can tell you, brother, you're doing so great at this, and just continue to push forward. Give us your 100 like you're doing, because especially in this video, you went all out just to bring us back to this spectacular moment when you'd have started out your channel many years ago. And this video does bring back so many memories of how you started out, from where you started to where you're at now in this production that you're doing. And I can tell you, this is helping so many people out there, upcoming YouTubers and just people you are inspiring right now with your different techniques of cooking. And most people, if not all, just want to be a part of that special moment, or wishing they could be a part of that special moment. But you know how you can do that? Book it on his website. So Colaz TV launched his website some weeks ago, so it's out there, colaztv.com, I think it is. You can go there, check it out, book your adventures and there, and just go over there and experience this wonderful, spectacular, this immaculate, there are so many words to describe the feeling that you will get from these videos, are just to be a part of this experience happening right in front of your eyes. And the only way you can be a part of that is to just go over there, check out Colaz TV channel, support the others team members as well, watching their videos. And it's just one of those things that you can do in order to let this team continue to grow from strength to strength. But all I can say, Colaz TV, really cool individual, respect what he's doing, and I can tell you, I see him going really far in this thing, especially if he continues on these authentic videos that people really want to see. I think people like these types of videos where he's out there in the open space and just try to keep it as real as possible, and this is what he's doing. He could have been using different things to eat from, but if you look closely, he's using a plastic bottle, and then he used the same plastic bottle, or a part of the plastic bottle, in order to make a spoon, in order to be eating what he's eating there. So in this video, they seem as if they did some vegetable rice and some curry chicken, who Sax is the chicken man, and Sax always try to put his best, especially when he's preparing the chicken. And I just love how the whole team came together in this video, and they did everything on point. Everybody knew their roles that they were supposed to play in the video, and no one did not back away or shy away from doing anything. This is how teamwork goes. Teamwork make the dream work, and I believe that Colaz team right now, he has a good team working with, and that's why I want to see this team continue. Because when you have a team and you go from strength to strength, this is where a team builds and continue to grow and progress beyond the heights of your own expectation. And this is what is happening right now. At one point in time, when it seemed as if the team was about to fall apart, I was becoming worried about this and thinking what's gonna happen to the whole entire Colaz TV movement.
In here, so we are going to rise up with fireplace. We are cooking our water today. See? As I tell you last week, we are going back to basic, and we are take a little time and work our way back. See? So the fireside literally are going to make right within this area. We go about catching water in the middle Catching fire in the middle of the water, guys. Looking so good. I tell you. Watch it, guys. Look there. Look there. And that's why we say we out here without fear. Yes, sir. That one here go wicked. That is it, man. One Colaz Smith TV, guys.
But we have seen where they have beat the odds and they are pressing on to greater heights and just cementing themselves not only as a household name in Jamaica, but a household name around the Caribbean and around the world with these wonderful videos that they continue to produce for the world to see. Much love, much respect goes out to Colaz Smith TV. This is where I believe though I'm going to leave this one though. Thanks for watching. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in the comment section.